back to my channel. Okay, I would like to give you a little walkthrough of my latest album that I made, and I did make some shorts video. I started this project way back ago and it's for my shorts, so if you want to remake this also for yourself, just check out my shorts video and then you will see it all come back bit by bit. All little videos that I made are separate to be watched, but so it's not one project. So all little things and little things, yeah, that's double. You can check it out with my shorts video. Alright, so what I really like to show you. So it's a 7x9 and I used, as you can see, Graphic 45 ABC primer. Love this project, love these papers, and sideways I just made a little pocket out of this. Oh, forget that you do not see that. As you can see, I really like this little pocket right here, and I did use some blocks, as it's a child paper collection. I think it's child related, so I thought it would be nice that I bring back the blocks. And on the back, it's very playful. I did use the sign from Graphic 45. I could not resist. I really like it, and this is just some playful decoration. So let's get inside. So here I made a multiple flat pocket page. So it starts with this first one and it continues with the next one, and of course it goes on, and you can add so much in here, and it goes bigger and bigger, and the last one. So I really like this. This is actually the same that I did with my recipe book years ago, so I did it again. I really like this, so it's so cool. So yeah, so you can put everything back on its place. You can add loads of pictures in here. Anything that you want to add in here will fit. Pretty nice big pockets and a little small one at the bottom. Alright, on my next page, here is a nice ribbon closure, and this opens it up, and then here we have that cute pop-up page, and right here we also have added 2 tags in this pocket, and then this closes all down with this ribbon closure. And then, oh, I totally forgot to put something in here, but that's okay. But you can add there a nice insert for extra photos. Then this nice envelope page where you can add some tags or photos inside. Always nice to put something in here. There we go. And then this opens up, and then we have right here a little pocket. And here it's just a nice frame with the leftover pieces on the back also. And in here there is a big pocket with a little notebook, so you can write your stories in, or you can add your pictures in here also. That's totally up to you. A nice booklet, not a booklet, a notebook. Alright, then we go to the next page. This one I have this paper clip decoration. It's not decoration, it holds everything down. And here I have made a big booklet where you can add stuff inside, and that's actually right here in this little, it's actually a little pocket, as you can see right here. So this is just a little pocket. So cool. So the paper clip holds this a bit down, and then here I created 4 cute little pockets where you can add, you still can make these notebooks if you like, but you also can write something down. They all are the same. 4 nice little booklets. Super cute, don't you think? Add little pictures in here, write something down, maybe how your lessons were that day or something. So cool. And then we go to the back, and there I just made 2 cutout, well, 1 cutout with 2 tags inside. You still can add your pictures in here. And then this bottom is just a nice little tuck spot where you can add all little things behind if you want. And then the paper clip holds everything down. So I'm just gonna add this over the page, just like that. And then it holds everything down. Super cool. And then we have here 3 little pockets. 2, I do not need to lie. Here's also a pocket. It's so fun. So much fun to do all this. And the papers are just gorgeous, of course. And then this flips to the right. Here is also a little tuck spot where you can add all these yummies or a nice Polaroid photo frame. Then this is, I really like this belly band. It is a belly band, yep. So, so cool. And here I added another paper clip. You still can add your pictures behind it, but as you can see, you can take it off. You just can't take it off. Put something behind it. Oh my gosh, love it. Love it. Put this back. And then we have a big pocket, just a cute, simple diagonal pocket with, again, a nice big booklet. Is this also a booklet? Yep, this is also a booklet. Here we go. No, this is just a tag, Diane. Alright, and a nice Polaroid. And this also you can take out. Just a cute little pocket. So much fun. And then for this page, oh my gosh, I really like it. So we have this simple ribbon closure. And then this flaps opens up, and here we have a file folder storage piece, but it's how you call this, a file. Yeah, you can take all these out. Of course, you can put your photos on, and they get bigger and bigger till the last one, and it's very huge. So you still can add loads of things in here. But I added this one inside, but these also can go as, I call them dividers or something. Don't know the name in English, but if you keep this in here, then you still can use these to store your pieces inside. So if you have something in here, just grab it, put something in here or here. You can put a name on here, what's inside. So I like it. Super cool, if I might say so myself. Here we go. And then this ties it up, back. And then we go to the back. What's on the back? We have a pocket with little tags inside. Here there is a little pocket with a nice tag in the envelope page. And then this flips up, and then this flips to the left. And then here I wanted to create some extra space for photos. So this is a nice eye catcher, but this goes to the right, and loads of place for photos. Right here, nice photo spots. This is a little tuck spot, super fun. And here we have also extra photo spots. You can write your name here, extra photos. So these are just extra photo mat pages. And then this all goes down again, and this holds it. Alright, and then the last page, here we have a little envelope. where you can add some tags. Super fun. Oh, don't forget the last one. This one is also pretty thick, so you can add loads of things inside. I already added four pieces inside because we do have the space. We do have the space. There we go. And then this closes up with just this little string. Super cool. This flips to the left, and then we have again some extra place for photos. These two I cut down in two. Hope you can see all that. This is how I decorate it. So super cool if you add your picture this way. So I really like it. And then here you can add little pictures or one big one. It's totally up to you. And then this flips to the right. And also 4 places for photos, and for the last but not least, a little pocket at the back. Alright, what do you think? Oh no, this was the other way. This one first. Yeah! Alright, what do you think? I really like it. I love making this project. I love making the shorts, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.